Hey guys, Nick Mower today from Mark Supply Company. Today I'm going to have for you a 2022 Kubota LX3310 compact tractor, loader, belly mower package. This tractor has 242 hours on it. It is going to have an LA535 Swift Tatch loader on it. Excuse me. It has an RCK 60 30BB 60-inch belly mower deck. This is the biggest LX tractor obviously they make. These are 30.8 horsepower. We just listed a cab tractor yesterday, loader backhoe package. This tractor is a 2022, is purchased new August the 12th of 2022, and it has emissions warranty until August 11th of 2027, and it has powertrain warranty good until August 11th of 2028. So you are buying a tractor that does have powertrain warranty, so engine, hydraulics, and your emissions side is all covered. 242 hours, we've done a complete and full service on this tractor. We're going to start here right underneath the hood. Has a folding grill guard, obviously. He's going to pull that out. We're going to reach down here, we're going to bring up the hood. Underneath the hood, we're going to have a hood stand here. This is going to be powered by the Kubota V1505 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, and again, these units are 30.8 horsepower. Now, everybody knows the Kubota B3350 had a lot of problems. So the LX3310 was the common rail version of that they're using that engine in the ZD1611. This is a great motor. I've had virtually no problems with them. I think they're a very good setup. We did a full service, which all the filters, Braden, you can show them over here. We marked everything at 241 hours. That way that was taken care of and done. That's what we do here. We like to take care of service through our stuff. It is all OEM Kubota filters and products have been put on this tractor. So when we sell a tractor like this, it will be serviced going through. Up front, bucket is a 60-inch. It does have the skid steer quick attach on it. It does have the 3 bucket hooks welded on the top. Packing list is still in the back of the bucket there, the packer that Kubota ships them with. R14T tires, they're approximately 90% all the way around the tractor. All 4 of them are out. 2 fronts are matched, 2 rears are matched. The back of this tractor, it's going to have category 1 3-point hitch with OEM top link, and you're going to have your OEM drawbar on the back. You're going to have your toolbox right here. Folding roll bar. The rear tires are loaded in this tractor. 60-inch, again, 60-inch belly mower deck. We're going to go around the controls of this tractor. You're going to have your low, medium, and high ranges. You're going to have your Kubota, what I call the Kubota Deluxe series seat. So it does have the nice high back seat with the armrest package on it. It's going to be a locking differential here. 4-wheel drive in and out, up and down for your mower deck and 3-point. When we come around here, we are going to have our, tilt steering wheel. 242 hours on this tractor. As you can see, we have no error codes or anything like that coming out. Turn signals, headlights, 4-ways. Again, tilt steering wheel, cruise control and parking brake throttle. They do have a very nice, what I call boomerang pedal here for the Hydrostatic. I really like it. Independent brakes, Swift Tatch loader setup, joystick loader control. We'll turn this back over to Braden. Guys, I'm going to fire this tractor up. We're going to run around, show you what it's supposed to do. Here we go. So what we'll do as usual, we're going to show you that all the ranges work in the transmission. It's something we get through and take that time to show people. Back up, full drive out. So that's low range reverse, and that's low range forward. So now what we'll do, we're going to go ahead and move to medium range. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to hit high range. I'll do, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to head to medium range again. Float position in the motor. Very comfortable tractor to run. You do have good power. What I find in like the 2610s, the V2650, I just think that they're a little underpowered. They're just a 3-cylinder version of this. This again is the 4-cylinder turbo. And there it is. There's just a big difference between the two. Now, we're already on mid-PTO. Kick the motor deck in. Motor deck's beautiful, smooth. Motor deck out. Motor deck back up, 3.X up. Power steering, tilt wheel, again, very, very comfortable tractor. Go over here and mow, one quick second. Tractor really does mow nice, handles nice, got very well. Obviously, I'm just mowing here along the hayfield edges. Tractor again has very good power up front on the hydraulics. So you got your turn signals, you got your headlights, you got 4-way flashers back here mounted. Guys, again, 242 hours, very clean tractor. It is 100% ready to go to work. You got any questions, 814-658-3066. Again, tractor does have that stated warranty that will be transferred to the new owner. And the tractor is complete. We will have books, manuals, 2 keys, 3 points complete. Very nice piece. And again, there's value in what I do in servicing stuff. A lot of guys are buying crap at the auction sales. You have no idea what it is. But we get through, I don't buy stuff like that. Everything we buy is either private or dealer trades. Again, very nice tractor, very clean, one-owned original tractor. It is all original paint. Nothing has been touched up. Guys, thank you very much. As always, checking out Mark's Supply Company. Please start our website, www.marksupplyco.com. And as always, thank you very much for checking out Mark's Supply. As always, have a great day.